Are you seeking to supercharge your laptop's performance? Look no further than the Simmtec 128GB DDR4 3200MHz laptop memory upgrade kit. This powerhouse kit, comprising 4 32GB modules, is engineered to elevate your system to new heights of speed and responsiveness. Crafted with precision and performance in mind, each module boasts DDR4 technology, delivering a memory speed of 3200 MHz. This ensures that your laptop operates at its full potential, whether you're gaming, multitasking, or handling resource-intensive applications. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the user-friendly design. Simply slot the modules into your laptop's memory slots, and you're ready to experience a significant boost in loading times and overall system performance. Say goodbye to frustrating lags and hello to seamless computing. But it's not just about speed, reliability is paramount. Rest assured, all modules undergo rigorous quality assurance testing to guarantee dependable and consistent performance. Plus, with Simmtec's lifetime warranty and dedicated tech support, you can purchase with confidence, knowing that assistance is just a call away. Whether you're a gaming enthusiast, a creative professional, or a power user, the Simmtec 128GB DDR4 3200MHz laptop memory upgrade kit is a game-changer. Elevate your laptop experience and unleash the full potential of your system today. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.